Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now, remove switch plates, move furniture, and lay a drop cloth so debris doesn't scatter. Score the wallpaper lightly with a scoring tool so stripper solution can penetrate. This step matters because intact paper blocks moisture, making removal take longer. Once done, mix your chosen stripper per label. Steamers need time to heat, while liquid solutions often need 5–15 minutes to soak. Make sure to wear gloves and goggles. You're creating access for the next, deeper removal stage. You'll work systematically. Apply stripper or hold the steamer on each 2–3 foot section until paper softens. Use a putty knife at a shallow angle, 30 to 45 degrees, to lift seams. This prevents gouging the wall. For stubborn paste, reapply solution and wait. Patience matters because rushing damages drywall. Once paper releases, switch to a damp sponge to clean residual adhesive in circular motions. Make sure to wring often so you're removing glue rather than smearing it around. You finish by rinsing the wall thoroughly and letting it dry. 24 hours is typical because moisture left behind ruins new finishes. Repair any gouges or nicks with joint compound. Apply thin coats, let them cure, and sand smooth between coats. Once the surface is uniform and dry, apply a stain-blocking primer to seal any remaining adhesive or tannin so paint or new wallpaper adheres properly. Troubleshooting tip: if paste resists, use a diluted fabric softener soak for 10–15 minutes, then scrape gently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.